Hi friends, how's it going today? Today we are going to quickly whiten teeth. We're going to use my action, and then I'm also going to show you how to do that in case you don't have a copy of my actions. If you would like these, you can reach out to me at Gretchen@GretchenOtero.com and I'll email those over to you. So let's get started. Guys, this is so easy. We're just going to go here with our quick selection tool, keyboard shortcut W, zoom in, and I'm just going to kind of grab the teeth. Now I have lips in here. That's completely fine. I don't have any facial skin, which is what we want. Lips are good, face skin bad. And click whiten teeth. Boom. That was it. Before, after, super easy. Now, just in case you don't have the actions and you want to know how to do this just on your own, clicking through Photoshop, I'm going to show you that. So I'm just going to throw this layer away. So we're kind of back to the original now. I'm going to do the same thing again, selecting the teeth. Lips are okay. Facial skin is not, and that's fine. And I'm just going to go down here to make a new adjustment layer. I click this little, I call it a half moon thing. We'll click that. Say hue saturation. We're going to change where it says master, going to change it to yellows. And we're just going to completely reduce the saturation here. And then we're going to bring up the lightness there. So saturation minus 100, lightness, this says plus 53, and I'm good with that. Click those little double arrows, and then let's see before, after, absolutely perfect. So super simple, guys. Again, if you want a copy of my actions, they're free. Gretchen@GretchenOtero.com. Love to hear from you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and share with your friends and hit that notification bell. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.